Hi guys, welcome back to the magic of paper. I post fun and easy to follow origami tutorials here weekly to keep you creative and entertained. So if it is your first time here, consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever there's new content. Today, we'll be learning how to create this very easy Japanese samurai helmet. You will need a square paper for this, and I'm using a 15 by 15 origami paper. Alright, let's get started. Fold your paper in half diagonally. Leave a crease and open it up. Do the same for the other diagonal. Bring the corner to the top point. Do the same thing on the other side. Rotate your paper 180 degrees. Bring the corner up again. Do the same for the other corner. Now, bring the corners out. Fold the top layer up. Fold up the lower edge. Flip the paper and fold the other layer up. It will look like this after it finishes. And you will be able to open it up like this. You can also use newspaper and create a helmet that fits your size. Or you can create a smaller helmet and put it on your finger. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment down below and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.